Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. So I started off with my skin prep. Thereafter I went on to apply my foundation. This is a very short makeup video, and this makeup is for your everyday glam, maybe school and the rest. So thereafter I went on to apply my blush. As you see me doing, I was just applying and blending. So I applied it to give it that lifted illusion. Thereafter I proceeded to apply my concealers. I always use two concealers, the darker shade for the outer, extending to the outer corners, and then the lighter shade for the inner corners to just highlight it even more. So this is what a model looks at this stage, and I'm just blending the concealers that I applied. As you see me doing, I'm just blending. So I'm just going to be setting her under eyes with the powder of her skin shade. This is Pearl Flawless Ivy in the shade Pearl. So it was a perfect match for her skin, and I'm just setting. I went ahead to set the rest of her face with the same Flawless Ivy in the shade Pearl. So I just set and I blended everything in. Thereafter I applied my contour with the Annie's Beauty Meet the Browns eyeshadow palette. I used that burnt orange shades to just... So I used that brown shades which has an orange undertone to just bronze the face. Thereafter I went ahead to apply my blush and just blended everything in. So this is what we have for our finished look. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. See you all in my next video.